in this video I will show you modern balcony seating design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. The balcony is a beautiful, dreamy and cozy outdoor space, especially in the city homes. It doesn't matter whether it is tiny or big, what matters is how we design and decorate it to make it a gorgeous little retreat for relaxation where we can see the sky and breathe fresh air without stepping out of the house. It's always a plus point if your house or apartment has a balcony. Seeing as there are a few directions you could go with this. Namely, you could decorate your balcony in about 1,000 different ways. However, if you are stuck and you need a little inspiration on a small balcony seating ideas, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will provide you with a few ideas, so hopefully some of them might be a good fit to you and your outdoor space. Add a small table. All you need to enjoy your morning coffee on your balcony is a cafe table and a chair. Choose one that folds up easily so you can store it inside if necessary. Install a built-in seating. Maximize your space square footage with a built-in bench seating. You will also never have to worry about high winds knocking over your furniture or worse, sending it flying. Jazz up the balcony by keeping it simple and comfortable with just a swing for seating and covering the floor with patch of artificial grass and rug. The simple and minimalist decor is perfect for a narrow or tiny balcony that can't accommodate more than one or two persons. Tie up a hammocks. Hammocks aren't just for beaches and between trees. A small balcony can be a perfect spot to bed down on. Choose a beautiful colored version and fill with a exotic print cushion in earthy tones. Add lanterns and you have got yourself a sunny oasis to gently swing the day away in. Hang a chair or hammocks. You may be in the city, but there is no reason your balcony can't feel like you are on a vacation. A hanging chair or hammocks create a laid back vibes. Add a cozy sitting area. Nothing beats lounging around on your balcony when it's a particularly sunny day. That's why it would be really handful to design your own cozy little sitting area on your balcony. Thus, you could add a small table and few chairs to create a cozy sitting corner. The best part about this is that you could design this area fully to your liking, and you could get really creative with this. Mix and match furniture. An easy way to add color curvy in a bold, vibrant shade will create a fantastic look in your outdoor space. A couple of chairs and side table to rest drinks are all one need to make the balcony stylish and functional, especially when there is a view to enjoy. Custom designed chair and table can make a statement in a small balcony with their elegant presence. Opt for floor pillows. There is no need to invest in outdoor furniture, especially if you are living in rented house or apartment. Get some colorful and comfortable floor pillows that can do double duty inside. A balcony space to work and relax. It might be surprising to some of my viewers, but a balcony can be easily converted into a lovely home workspace that is both well lit and sheltered. Since most homeowners are trying to find space for the home office or workplace, that small balcony next to the master bedroom or living room offer an innovative and unique options. You might need to put in a few blinds and shades to keep out of the glare, but it also be well worth the extra effort. There is the other direction in which you can transform the small balcony into a personal relaxing hub that feature a comfy daybed and sit in the corner with space underneath it being used for storage. Your tiny balcony will offer a multitasking solution. The trickiest part about maximizing space in the small balcony is to find furniture that fits both with the overall style and functionality. I am a big fan of custom corner seats that are super comfortable and also provide storage space underneath. String lights, round outdoor tables, and chairs that can be folded away when not in use, combine to save space at every turn. Make sure you do not pack too much into the small balcony. Create a visual balance between empty area and decor and allow the overall style to define exactly how much greenery the balcony needs. Surround yourself with flowers. You may not have a room for dining area or even a chair, but there is always space for flowers. Install planters along the balcony railing to sweeten your view and add to your home's curb appeal. Light up balcony space. Give yourself plenty of light for late night hangout by installing an outdoor pendant or go for string lights or outdoor lanterns. Use the wall of your balcony. If you don't have access to lot of space on the floor of your balcony, it might be good idea to decorate the wall of your balcony as much as possible. Again, there are a few directions in which you can go with this. For example, you could try adding some trendy greenery to wall, or you could design a stunning balcony railing. An added plus with this decorating idea is that your balcony will appear to be slightly bigger if you leave some of the space on the floor untouched. I hope this video will help you to choose the best balcony seating ideas for your balcony. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.